This is beetroot. This is bitter gourd. This is pumpkin. This is cabbage. This is capsicum. This is carrot. This is cauliflower. This is coriander leaf. This is corn. This is red chilli. This is brinjal. This is garlic. This is ginger. This is green chilli. This is jackfruit. This is radish finger. This is mushroom. This is onion. This is green peas. This is peppermint. This is potato. This is radish. This is spring onion. This is tomato. This is green beans. This is broccoli. This is yummy lemon. This is coconut. This is green soybean. This is lima beans. Thank you, friends. Please like and subscribe.